It's time for some arcade porn at home with the PlayStation 4 Mini. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And today's video we are going to test out the MAME games on the PlayStation 4 Mini, because I wanted to show you how are the games running. So we're going to play a couple of games and yeah, I'm gonna show you. Alright people, you ready for it? I am! Let's go! And the first game we are going to play is Cadillacs and Dinosaurs. I've played this one on the X game, the original, the first version. And that was running quite great on the first version. So skip. Yeah, alright, let's go. Yeah, and that's like the older version of the game. This game is just running fine. Great soundtrack. Oh man, it's really nice beat 'em up. I really love this game. Just wonder how it plays, how the character moves. It's just great. And you can shoot people with a shotgun. That is really awesome. Blow it out your ass. Come with me if you want to live. I really hate those guys. Come on, boy. No, you're not gonna sit on me. I know that sounds wrong. I don't care. Ooh, flying move. Come on, boy. Alright, let's go to the next. And the next game we are going to play is The Punisher. Really awesome beat 'em up, guys. Really awesome. So, let's see how it runs. Here, take a crate. Ooh, I want my pizza. It's a really nice game, like the Cadillac and Dinosaurs, because yeah, it's the way how it plays, the beat 'em up style, and yeah. But this is just seems to be running fine. The music is good. Ooh, got a grenade. Somebody gotta get a grenade at his head. Come on. Hey, Wolfie. Hi, doggy. I will protect you. I will protect you for this evil man. Yes. Ooh. One punch, 4 people. I'm going to call myself the One Punch Man. Oh yeah. You and Squadron. Did I ever play the game? No. This kid looks really like aircraft carrier. I think it's the color or something like that. But the music is good. The frame rate is really good. And that, yeah, the reason I'm not shooting because I wanted to let you hear how the soundtrack is. It's just great. Ooh, alright. I can already tell you I love this game. Why? Because I love Smurgle and it plays very nice. Ow! Alright. Time for some Street Fighter, people. Yeah. Say the sound is already great. Ding, ding. All right. Oh yeah. Right. I need to find my buttons. Oh. What? Oh man. I'm getting whooped. Oh, and I lost. Alright, the X game console got some really big problems with this game. So this sounds promising. This sounds really promising. Boom. Oh yeah. Wow. The soundtracks are just amazing. Yeah, this game is running perfectly. If you look at the X game, the first version, this is a big improvement. I can still remember that it was really stuttering, lagging of frames and that kind of stuff. Overall, man, I'm pleased to see that this game is running just great. It's time to go Predator mode, people, with this arcade Predator mode game. Of course I'm going to choose the detective, the Predator Warrior. He's awesome. And also this game runs just fine. Whoppa! Burn them all! Ah shit, so heated. Oh man, I really love this beat 'em up game. It's so over the top, so many enemies. Oh yeah. I got super magazine. Oh, I still got a super magazine, that's awesome. Ow. Ow. Whoa. Oh yeah. Man, I love this game. Slice and dice. Come on, bring it on. I just got a little bit health back due of getting a soda can. Oh yeah, that makes sense. The Predator loves himself a Coke. So alright, let's try out Carrier Airwing, and the reason why is because the first X game also had a big problem with this thing. And this plays the game just fine. Oh, I got turbo mode. Oh no, I was turbo mode. Turbo mode was no problem. The frame rate is good. The game sounds perfectly. Man, I'm really pleased to see this. So yeah, for the final conclusion, people, the arcade games on PS4 Mini are just running perfectly. And the reason why I'm saying the X game first console, I'm referring to it, is very simple. This game got still really big problems, got the same library of platforms that is supporting, but the games are running mostly horrible, and the PlayStation 4 Mini does it all. Supporting a lot of great titles, and really awesome. I want to thank you for watching. I'm so deep into the game, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome wicked videos, and hit that little bell if you were going to get notified for when I'm releasing a new video. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time. I'm going to try to defeat the guy. Rocket! Yeah! Alright, I'm out of rockets. Crap. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. No, I'm not gonna die. Oh, I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna die. Crap. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.